All right. So new setup. Today we're talking about a little bit of the craziness of the market, but at the same time, just gonna be real with y'all. I wanted to go over the public portfolio actually, because of all this heat around the markets right now, especially with the tariffs and talk. I didn't really watch any videos today, but I'm gonna do something actually. We're just gonna see what pops up when I look one up. But we're gonna go over the public account is what it's called. It's what we're calling it, the Charles Schwab account. Some good things happen. We just added another stock to the portfolio, and my computer wants to act really, really slow. So that's great. Um, Let this load and go to the Charles Schwab account. So, anyways, thank you to the new subscribers that subscribe to the channel. I believe the channel's up to 5 great people. Five. We got some action. Thank you. It means a lot. It means the world to me. Seriously. Someone even commented. Thank you for the comment. Um, yeah. Okay, so here's the public account. So we just got some new action here. We have some Nike. There's a new one in here, and SoFi. That's a new one in here. Uh, so the SoFi one, I picked the price that I wanted to buy it at, along with the Nike. I was showing another investor, a new investor, the power of knowing how the market works, so you can set your price of the stock that you want to buy it at. So let's just say, like, I knew Nike was higher than what I wanted it to buy it at. So I said, I'm not going to buy Nike unless it's at a certain price. So when I came in here, I would go through this, but I'm afraid it might act slow. So let's say if I wanted to buy a stock, let's say I wanted to buy some more Nike stock. Just go up here, trade. So if I wanted to buy a stock right now, put the ticker symbol in here. Some Nike. So Nike is at 57.23. This is the bid price. This is the ask price. So people are going between these prices to buy Nike stock right now. And let's say I wanted to buy some. So my action, I'll put my action right here. I'll put buy, and then I'll put how many I want. Let's say I wanted 10 of them. So if I wanted 10 of them, right now it wants me to buy it at $57.24. But let's just say I know the market, and I know it's going to go down to about, 56, 50, 55, and I don't want to buy 10 of them at that price, because I'm losing out on like $20 that I can put in another stock. So I'll set this price right here, and I'll say 56 or 55. So you'll look at the charts, but I'm not showing that right now. But this is how this works. So I'm showing you how this works. So I'll put this, and then I'll hit review order. I mean, I ain't got enough money up in here, but so the money I have right now is $2. But let's just say I had enough. It'll ask me to place the order. So you go here, and now it's not gonna buy until it goes back down to $56. And for me, that's dope, because again, I'd save $20. I can put that in something else. So I just did this, and that's why I was actually able to get the SoFi, because I actually did what I just told you with Nike. I knew it was going to go down. It went down. That money I saved, I was able to buy SoFi because SoFi is going for, $9 a stock. So I essentially bought two stocks just by doing this strategy that I just showed y'all. Um, so, but this is called the public account. So I'm going to keep us updated. This channel is going to stay updated on this account. Okay. So we're not going to worry about these numbers or anything right now, but this is the total value of the account right now is $2,000, $2,358. So our mission, our goal is to see that go to about $100,000 within a year or two. And it's not impossible. I will show y'all how throughout this channel. That's what this is for. So this is the One Family Investing channel. And I had a friend actually hit me up today. He invested in some stocks around the time that I released a couple of these other videos. And he thanked me this morning for it because he made some. So he woke up happy. And he's like, yeah, I'm going to buy some more. So there's a strategy to this stuff. And when you know the strategy, it becomes fun. So SoFi, it's already, it's making profit because I bought it at a price that I knew that it was going to be at a lower price. But because of the bounce, the volatility, I knew it was going to go back up. So I'm not excited or unexcited about this, this gain because it's still going to do this. And that's why as investors, we're not to be hyped on the highs or down on the lows. We just have a long-term mission in our mind, and then we play the game accordingly. When things go up, we know what's happening. When things go down, we know what's happening. So we're not scared. So that's the point of this channel. Again, if you're a new investor, then you'll get a lot out of this, and then you're going to see me actually grow my first portfolio with this type of mission in mind. I have my private portfolio in Robinhood, and that one's doing pretty good, but it's not at some $100,000 number, not even $50,000 number. So this is, you guys are going to see this live. I'm just going to keep us posted, and we're going to be learning together as I do a lot of the research, like all of these, these emails, for instance, and I go through all this stuff, and then I deliver it to the channel because, that's what we're about. So the public portfolio right now, we're down in the ETFs. I think I spoke about what ETFs are. We're down in our ETFs overall $267, but again, it's okay. We have a certain amount invested in it. These are those numbers. Regular stocks were down $95. These were all red not so long ago. So everything's, looking good. See, that Nike buy was really good. You see that $37 right there because, again, I bought it at its low, so I know the volatility is going to go back up. And that's how we build the portfolio bigger and bigger as we get profits. So in a couple months, we're expected, hopefully something good happens, or by the end of the year, a certain amount of gains are going to happen. You pull out on the gains, and then you reinvest it in the stock when it's gonna get ready to go low. So you hold on to cash, and I'll show you guys this as we keep going again. But so we have a overall portfolio outside of our stocks, like other investments, precious metals. Talked about this a little bit, and cash is one of them. So you hold on to cash so that you can invest it at a time when the market is crashing or when a stock is going down because of whatever. And we'll talk about that more again. Okay, so that's it for this video. And yeah, again, please subscribe if you got anything out of this. I need to get to 50 subscribers so I can do live stream. Yeah, because I want to go on YouTube and do live. So you can help me get to that. That'd be awesome. And tell a friend. Tell a friend. I'm going to turn to the light here. Tell a friend about this. Thank you. Okay.